Hello friends and welcome to my channel IB All Designing Developers. So in today's video we will be also covering up the project of C++, but today will be not any tutorial video, or in this video I will be not telling you about anything like C++. We will be learning about C++ but in a different way, because in this video we will be creating a different project using C++, the project which I think nobody has built on YouTube. So this will be really amazing project here using C++ which we are building, and the project name is Tic-Tac-Toe. You have created tic-tac-toe game in Python, in JavaScript, in HTML, CSS, but I think you have never created in C++. So today in this video, we are creating this amazing tic-tac-toe game using C++ from start. I will be telling you what are the things important and how to run a C++ file. All the things we will be learning in this video from start. So remember to not to miss this video and see this video from start to end, so you can learn that how we can also create our own tic-tac-toe game using C++. And also, if you understand this video, so hit a like and subscribe on this channel, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand, and also share this video so my video can go to more people and they can understand and learn how we can create these amazing games using C++. So what we are waiting for? Let's move to computer screen and let's get started with our amazing C++ tic-tac-toe game from start. So now we are on the computer screen, and here we will be seeing that how we can just create an amazing tic-tac-toe game using C++. So before creating this game, we have to create normally a C++ file here, and you have to select the location where you have to create the file. I will be creating my file normally on desktop, so I will be moving on to my file. Then I will be pressing new file. Give your file name. I will be giving it main.cpp. So remember, you have to write .cpp in the end when you're saving your C++ file, because this is the format of C++ file which you have to save. You can give any of the name here. I am not telling only give main. You can give any of the name like tic-tac-toe game.cpp. But in the end, you have to write .cpp because it is a format to save a C++ file. Now we have to save it on desktop. So I will be selecting desktop from here and I will be pressing this create file. So our file will be created on desktop. You can just see it is showing me location as well. Your file has been successfully saved on your desktop location where you have selected. You can save in any location you want to save. I've saved on desktop, and if you're beginner, I will prefer you to save your file on desktop, so it will be easy for you to just start coding and easy for you to just see the file, and you can also drag and drop the file easily. So there is no big deal to just go in any folders like in local disk cd, find the file, then drag drop that or open that through this file. So I prefer you to save your file on desktop. After saving the file, we have to now start with the codes which we have to use in this C++ tic-tac-toe game. So first of all, we have to use this include iostream here. And now include iostream, we will be with that using this include stdlib. So it is a library which we are using here. So I will be now writing include stdlib and write here .h. And now here I will be also writing include. This time I will be including time. In a small you have to just write. So I will be including time like this. Then here I will be writing using namespace std. So just you have to use this namespace std here, char field we will be using, and now in this field I will be writing as 10. Now you have to just write here void single player, and now you have to just move here, and then I will be creating void multiplayer. So here I will be writing that. Then you have to now just move down and then create here void help. So here I will be writing that. Then I will be just moving down, and after moving down, just here you have to now write here a tag which is bool check full. So here I will be writing that, and now just here I will be writing bool check win. Then you have to just open close that, but write here char in the bracket, you have to write this thing. Then you have to now just write here char key input bool. So here I will be now writing char in bool, and then you have to write here x, close this, write here void ai. So here I will be writing void ai init, and then I will be now just simply moving here, and then I will be clearing all the stuff. So I will be using void clear console here, and then here I will be just now writing a tag which will be like as system clear. Then you have to now write here void reset, and then you have to write here reset field. Then I will be now writing here for init I equal to 0 I. Then you have to now just write here 10 I plus plus. Then you have to now just move here, and I will be writing field I like this equal to, and then give a space and close this. After writing that all stuff, simply I will be now just you can just see two brackets has been closed, which are the curly brackets here. Then I will be writing void menu, and here I will be writing while true. Then here you have to now just write t in small like this. Then you have to now write here reset field. So here I will be writing that, and then press backspace here, open close the bracket here and close this as well. Then I will be writing character input menu, and then you have to now write here count, and in count I will be writing \n like this 2 times. And then here again I will be using this 2, and then here I will be writing menu as it is \n 2 times like this. Now here you have to just write this and then create a tag in which I will be now writing the game you have to play as. So I will be writing one option as single player, and the second option which I will be writing here as multiplayer. So here you can just see that. Then you have to now move down and create here 3 as help, and then here like this. And the fourth I will be writing here as quit, means if you want to quit the game, so you can quit it. Then I will be writing this \n, which means you are giving space from the down. You are pressing enter, one thing you can just consider as. Then input will be empty, just we will be closing this input from here. And now we will be using the sin value here, which will be as input menu, close this. And then you have to use the input menu here as well. So here I will be using input menu equal to 1, and then right here single player, and then here I will be now closing this. Right here else if, and then here you have to just write input menu. So here I will be now writing input menu equal to 2, and here I will be writing multiplayer. And now you have to just now move down and create else if, and then you have to write here input menu equal to, and then you have to write here 3 help, and then close this as well. Now after doing that, we will be using else if statement again, and again I will be using input menu, but the value which I will be writing will be 4 here. So now in 3 we have written help, and in 4 I will be just now writing input menu again, which will be equal to q, and we will be now returning the value normally here. So you can just see value has been returned. Then use clear console. So I will be now using clear console here, which will be as count, and the count value will be as invalid. So I will be now writing as invalid input with this exclamation mark, close this here. Now you can just see we have closed 2 brackets here normally, which we have to do. Then I will be now creating this void draw field here, and then here I will be now moving down right here clear console, and in clear console I will be now just closing this count, and then you have to write here \n like this. And then you have to now just write here this tag, and then here I will be now using field 1 like this, and then you have to just now write here this slash like this, and then I will be writing here as field 2, then again do that, and here I will be now writing backspace or pressing backspace here, field will be as 3, and then you have to end this. So I will be writing end l. Now here you have to just move down and write here like this. Then you have to use the field, and in field I will be just, before doing that, give a space from here. And now in the field I will be using 4. Then you have to now just write here as it is and write like this. So you can just see that we have written this all this stuff. And now I will be just doing one thing. I will be saving this file as it is normally like we have to do. And now I will be just opening this file in the main folder. So I will be now opening new window, and I will be opening my file here. So I will be now open folder, then I will be moving on to desktop where we have saved our file. Then I will be now just opening this file here, and normally I will be just doing one thing, like you can just see we are getting this file working, but we have to just move here as well to see this file is working or not. Now here you have to just save this file as it is, and after saving the file, if I just move here and if I save this, so you can just see we are getting all the stuff working. But now we have to check our run when we are running this project, so our tic-tac-toe game is working or not. So for seeing that, you can just move here, press this run code, and after running that, you can just see it will take some time, and you can just see it is showing me that first of all you have to write that what you have to just do with your game, like you want to play single player, you want to play multiplayer, you want to get help, or you want to quit the game. So I will be pressing single player. After doing that, it is asking me that you want to play easy, medium, or hard. I will be selecting here easy. Then you have to write the input value. I will be writing as O, then X, and like that you can play the game further on. So if you want to run it again, you can directly use again the run button here and the game will be run again. And now you have to select multiplayer if you want to. So you can just see now we have selected multiplayer here. And when we are writing O, so it is showing me that invalid input because we are writing the invalid one. You can just write here OX and then you can start playing your game like we do in Python. So simply like that, we can create the game in C++ as well. I hope you understand how we have created this amazing tic-tac-toe game from start using C++, and I hope you understand this video. And if you enjoy and understand this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe on this channel, and after subscribing, a notification bell so more people can learn and they can understand how we can just create these amazing projects using different languages. And remember to see my all the previous videos as well, which we have created on this channel. And the previous video which I have created on this channel was the C++ introduction video. So remember to check that out. That was the tutorial video, not mix it with project. So just I'll be meeting next project with more amazing things using C++ and different languages. So for today, goodbye.